Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you have the Spotify app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Make sure you have your Spotify app on your phone, and then at the same time you have your Gemini AI app activated on your phone. So with the two apps, you can easily control song with a Google Gemini AI. Play me this so type of song in your Spotify app. So for that to enable, what you need to do is to go ahead and open up your Gemini AI. After you open up your Gemini AI, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. They take you right here. Go ahead and click on apps. Then you are here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Spotify right here. Go ahead and turn on this. And this is going to pump up. And then to complete your request, Gemini will access and manage items from Spotify like your playlist, your playback history, and preferences. Go ahead and click on connect. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to click on continue right here. When you link your Google account and Spotify account, Google will be able to see your Spotify data account, take action on your Spotify on your behalf, see your Spotify content, send the request you send the request you make to Spotify, etc. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on agree and continue. And this is going to pump up right here. Scroll down right here and go ahead and click on I agree. Now you have fully connect your Google Gemini AI with your Spotify, and with that, you should be able to use voice command to play any music of your choice on your Spotify app.